Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of this Nothing Phone 2. Also, I'm going to give you my first impressions of the device. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so that was a quick unboxing of the Nothing Phone 2. Yes, there's not much in the box, so I just want to do a quick unboxing, set it to some music. In this part of the video, I'm going to go over the specs, but I'm also going to give you my 24 hours later with the Nothing Phone 2, because I've actually been using it for about 24 hours now. I unboxed it, put all my stuff in there, and I've been using the phone for the last 24 hours. So yes, I am enjoying it so far. We'll get into that. I want to go over the specs really quick and we can go over the phone itself. But look how beautiful. I love this white color compared to the black of last year. Man, I like the white too. And we'll do a little bit more comparison between this one in just a moment. But let's check out the screen here. Nothing is calling this the 6.7-inch flexible LTPO AMOLED panel. It is a 1080p panel. The resolution is 2412 by 1080p. It goes from 1 Hz all the way up to 120 Hz refresh rate. So I guess that's why they call it flexible, because you can't really bend it. I did pick up the 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage. It has Android 13 on it. It has a 4700 milliamp hour battery, 45 watt fast charging on here, and also does 5 watt reverse wireless charging on here too, so I can charge stuff if I wanted to, like other phones. Now it does have the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, so it's a last year's chipset, but the Snapdragon 8 Plus 1 chipset, Gen 1 chipset, is a great chipset. I don't have problems with it. But just look at that OS on here. So it has the Nothing OS. I did get an update already to improve the cameras and also some bugs on here. So straight out the box. The front camera, you have a 32 megapixel camera, which can shoot 1080p at 60 frames. No 4K, I don't know why you cannot shoot 4K on here for whatever reason. You have dual speakers. It has like splash resistance. It's not like IP68 or 67 water resistance. On the back, you have a 50 megapixel main shooter and then also a 50 megapixel ultra wide. I don't know what video is playing, but so 50 megapixel ultra wide, you can shoot in 4K at 60 on the rear. And then you have the glyph interface, which makes the Nothing Phone unique. I do love that. Man, it looks cool. And yes, it does draw attention, almost as much as attention as my Motorola Razr phone does. This one, I was showing people the glyph interface and they really was liking it. And then somebody said it looks like they didn't finish it because you can kind of see the inside. But overall, I'm enjoying it. One thing they did different was this curved back compared to the flat one. And that makes a difference, a little bit easier to hold. But bam, I like that display. The display has been good. But let's go over the phone. You have your power button on this side, the volume rockers there, SIM card slot, a microphone, USB charging port, speaker. At the top, you have another microphone, the punch out camera there, and then the 2 cameras in the back. So nice and simple. It's a nice and square off design, a flat panel in the front. And then, like I said, the curved panels are in the back. Now, it only has Gorilla Glass. None of this new Gorilla Glass Victus or anything like that. So, I don't know what y'all think about that part. But it's kind of light. It's not too heavy. Now, let's go over 24 hours with this phone. I'm going to go over some things I'm enjoying, some things that are annoying on this phone, which is not much. All right, so 24 hours later with the Nothing Phone 2, I am really enjoying the display on here. I like the Nothing OS. It has some features on there, but it also is very stock Android, and it works really well. I like how you can make your apps bigger. Everything seems good. I have to test out the cameras more. Stay tuned. I might do a camera test, show y'all some low light video and photos, but also some videos during the day. I might do a gaming test. I want to get really into the glyph because you can change the glyph interfaces now too, which is pretty cool. Using it as an everyday phone, making phone calls, speakers, texting on here has been good. No complaints there yet. The battery life seemed like it will be pretty good. I'm gonna have to test that out more. You know, I've only been using it for 24 hours. One thing I can tell you is that this phone is very smooth. The operating system is very smooth. The display is great. No hiccups yet. Nothing like that. I love going on Twitter on this thing. I love going on Threads. I mean, everything runs smooth, no hiccups. The 120 hertz refresh rate is really good. The speakers sound pretty good. I can do a speaker test coming up, maybe even in like a gaming review with the speakers on there. But overall, the first 24 hours, I have been really enjoying it. I mean, as much as I was enjoying the Nothing Phone 1, but just that curved back makes holding the phone a lot better. You have more glyph interfaces too. So let me get into that. So I turned the sound on, but you have different ones. That it will do, which is pretty cool. You can even make some up. That one I like too. You can set different ringtones for each contact. And they improved it too, where developers can actually use the app for the glyph interface too. So it will be very cool to see what apps you can actually use. I know Uber has one where it shows the distance from, time you get your food or getting picked up. This acts like a timer too, which is cool. It still has the battery thing down there. So overall, I'm enjoying it so far. Stay tuned to the channel. I'm going to have more videos coming up. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see from me on this device. I will definitely try to make them. But let's compare. Phone 1, the Phone 2. So you can tell it's a little bit bigger. It has the same type of design from the sides. Same thing there. Even the back looks the same, but you have more features with the glyph interface here, as you can tell. Like I said, the curve, this is flat back here, and then this is curved, which makes a big difference. But I'm really enjoying it. Stay tuned to the channel. I will have more videos coming out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Nothing Phone 2. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForwardsReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.